Roman just built this dump truck and he's getting ready to dump his big load into the pizza delivery truck. Oh no! Oh my goodness. Look at the making a mess. Dumped the scooter, all his Lego parts. Man, knocked over his little picnic table. Oh, here comes Scoopy to clean up the mess. Roman, remember when we went to Legoland and you looked all over Legoland for a garbage truck made out of Legos?
Yeah, I was looking all over Legoland to find the garbage truck. It was so hard.
What do you say we show the kids the video of you looking for all those Legos? Wouldn't that be fun?
Yeah.
Alright kids, stay tuned. Roman's going to keep playing with his Legos and we're going to show you a video of him at Legoland this summer looking for the Lego garbage truck.
Find a garbage truck that's moving here at Legoland. Let's go.
Let's go. Wow.
Keep your eye open.
Keep your eye open. Looking for a garbage truck.
What's in there?
Oh. See a garbage truck anywhere? I see taxi cabs and limousines. Push the button, see what that button does.
It says Billy.
Oh, turns the water on the little tugboats. Wow, that's pretty cool. Look at that pirate ship way down there.
Wait, you put a pen in here.
Let's go check out that pirate ship. Here's the pirate ships. That's pretty cool. Porta potty, where? Oh, look at that. And they're waiting in line to go to the bathroom. Can you believe that? Look at these boats, there's an alligator.
Oh. Look at that! Sid, what's moving?
Roman, look, I found a garbage dumpster.
Where?
Right there.
Okay, boys, let's go on the other side. Let's go see the other stuff.
Casey, come on.
Go look over in the city for a garbage truck. Oh, there's a fire truck.
What happened?
Oh, I don't know what happened.
We looked all over and we didn't see him. Yeah.
What is it, Roman?
How did? Oh, listen.
You found the garbage truck.
Okay, I found the garbage truck.
Yeah. Look at that, kids. Roman's at Legoland. There's all these Legos everywhere. They build huge cities. And Roman found the one and only garbage truck It's in the Las Vegas MGM Grand
I looked
property.
everywhere.
You looked everywhere, didn't you, Roman?
But I came along and I looked, but I didn't see anything. I took my eyes off, then I looked, and I missed it. Wait a minute. Was it there the whole time?
Yes, it was.
I think this. I think it was hiding. I think it was under that building, and he drove on the rocks, and then he parked right there.
And he parked right there. He's hiding from you the whole time. But you found the garbage truck. Wow, good job.
Hi kids, I looked all over Legoland to find that garbage truck, and I finally found it. I hope you like it.